Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be challenging Nick in Geoguessr. Now, Nick appeared on my channel quite a long time ago. The last time he appeared on my channel was in February 13th. But this time I have a catch. If you see over to the right of my screen, you'll see that another window is open. While I'm dueling Nick, I have to do an algebra test. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing 3 questions, and then I'm going to be quickly switching over to here and playing the Geoguessr round for all the time that we have left. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing moving game mode, and we're going to have a total time limit of 1 minute. I'm just going to have to leave it at 1 minute 1, I guess. So then the time after guess is going to be 1 minute. So basically, if you guess, the time does not decrease. So we're both going to go to 10,000. And yeah, if we do this again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower my health down to 1,000 and see if I can still win. I'm going to play on a pinpointable world. So Nick should be able to find lots of information to help him not click the opposite side of the world. Nick, are you ready?
Yes.
So what I'm going to do is 40 questions, and I'm taking the Algebra 1 SOL this year. I'm going to click I'm ready, let's start. And in the end, I'm going to be sending my score to my algebra teacher and the video to see what she thinks. So let me add my name. Sadly, I already know the answers to the first problem because I looked at it. So, Nick, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. Alright. So the moment that the countdown appears to start the round, I can start doing problems. So, me versus Nick. Okay, there's the countdown. This is the correct answer. And I forgot to mention that I have to get the problem correct. This one. And then lots of functions right now. These are functions, this one. Nice, now I can look. Alright, this appears to be somewhere. Let's see. Oh, this is very pinpointable. I should be able to get it pretty much. I have a junction with 57. Oh no, the camera is pointed the wrong way. So yeah, I'm just gonna click Ukraine and see if it's there. Okay, Hungary. Hold on. I thought I saw Cyrillic script. All right, so here we go. Next problem. The function is what is f of 10? 20 minus 5, 15. All right. Complete factorization. Oh no. 3v times v plus 3, like that. Keep going. If x equals 4 and y equals 2, 4 times 5 plus 2, 28. All right, good. Now I can look. Ooh, Nick is not going to be getting this one, sadly. I'm not sure exactly what town this is, but I think it may be this one. Not exactly sure, but I think this is definitely gettable if you actually like know the metas, but I think it should be there. Well, at least somewhere there. Oh, it's actually south. So, okay. I'm definitely gonna have to lower myself to 1,000 HP. Maybe even 5 math problems could be a little... Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, quick. Perimeter of 60, length of 22, so 44, 16, 8. Very directly is x, that's gonna be this one. Y when x is 18, oh no. 0 to negative 5, 2 to 3, so when x... So, hold on, when x increases by 2, y increases by 2, so, oh no, hold on, so when x increases by 9, y increases by 9, so that would be 3. Nice, now I get to look around for 8 seconds. Osorno Entralagos, oh no, I don't have enough time. I didn't have time to guess, so I clicked in Argentina, so that would have been close enough anyways. So there we go, the countdown. Which is a 0? Oh no. Quadratics? No, not at this time. 4, Definitely not. -1, 1 minus 3 minus 4, no. -4, 16. Yes, there we go. We gotta go quick. Oh no. Why quadratics? No. I don't like this. It's not that. It's -14 minus 5, so we gotta get -7 and 2. Oh no, it's quadratics. Great. I'm not gonna get to guess in time on this one. Well, I mean, I do have to solve it, so... yeah. Time's already up. Man. But Nick also didn't guess, so we're good. Just keep going. Just keep going. -3, 9, plus 3 minus 6, no. So 3 works. -2, so 4 plus 2 minus 6. Okay, good. So that's 1. 2 feet longer than it is wide. That's 5 feet by 7 feet. No. So it's gonna be 7 by 9. If 10y is the pattern, what? Hold on, so when x increases by 2, y increases by 1. So when x increases by 2, so if x increases 5 times, y increases 5 times, which means y is going to be 2. We got 13 seconds. Great. Sorry. Just looks like generic Europe, so like, click Netherlands. Okay, Denmark. Wow, this is proving to be an extremely hard challenge, but somehow we're still winning. So, okay, countdown. There we go. Which, oh no, problems like this take a lot longer to solve. So, y-intercept is -1, so it has to be one of these. So when x decreases by 1, it's going to be this one, because the slope. Nice. Keep going. Oh no. It would be x cubed. So this one. Minus 3x squared, so this one. Keep going. 4x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 8. Subtract 4x from both sides. So then we get, so positive x minus 4. Oh no, and this one, I think. Oh no, this is not giving me much time. I just have to click. It was Netherlands that time. Wow, this is stressful. Okay, this one should be easier. So we take minus 4x, so it's gonna be 4. 1/4 x plus 1 is greater than 15 halves. Subtract 1, so we get 1/4 x is greater than 13 halves. Multiply by 4, we get 30. No, since we did that, so it's gonna be this one. Which equation best describes this graph? X, y equals -5. Okay, good. We got 27 seconds that time. Okay. We should be able to get this somewhere here. Okay. That's enough for the win. All right. There we go. Oh, actually, it's not enough for the win. Okay. We're still going. Oh, math. Math. Ah. Forgot that I'm doing math right now. Oh my gosh. This is so stressful. Oh no, if it doesn't load, then that's a problem. Okay. Quick. 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2. I don't have time at all. But it's the only one that has 0, 2, so I gotta go for it. The statement is always true. 4 minus a equals a minus 4. No. A plus -4 plus 4 equals a plus 0. Which is a solution set? Oh no. I think it's gonna be this one. No, I didn't have time to click. That was easy glot. No. Man, 36 points of damage. I'm already going in. I don't have time to solve quadratics in my head and still have time. 9x plus 1 times x minus 1 is going to be 81x squared minus 1. That's just a difference of squares. Which line on the graph below has negative slope? I think it's going to be D. I've seen this question before. No. It's going to be A. A equals 64? And B equals -5? No, I don't have time for this, man. I don't have time for this. Oh, never mind. There's still 20 seconds left. Hold on. Cube root of 64 plus -5 squared? Hold on. So it's it is 89. So what's the difference between these two answers? I don't see the difference between these two answers. Man, no. No, that's so easy though. Like, what? What? From -3 to 6? Oh god, that almost tricked me up because of the variable. Click. Just go. Main problem with this is just lag. Of course, it's always lag. Which graph best represents the following quality? Well, I can't exactly solve it like that. Y is less than -1/3 x plus 2. Does it look like that? It looks like that. No, it's less than or equal to. Okay, good. Man, this is just pure math and nothing else. How much time's left? 26 seconds. Man, it's just not enough. Cause like this doesn't load fast enough. It's gonna be -3/2. I know it's correct, so I'm not even gonna bother checking if it's correct or not. Just click down Norway before time runs out. No, it is Norway. Why did I switch? Man, I'm so stupid. So I think it's enough to... No, it's not. Dang it. Man. I had clicked on the right road. Alright, so that was pretty good. So we're gonna start over on the test so that the lag stops. I had clicks on the right road. I would have won if I just didn't click off the right road. So let's just do this. Slope of 0. There's no time for this. What? That's what I clicked. Hold on. I have to restart. I'm not sure, man. It has to be this one because it's just the only one that's not loading. Of course, it's the only one that's not loading. 5, 0, and 10, 0. Oh, the round hasn't even loaded yet. Oh, that's fun. Okay, just a residential district. Shouldn't be that hard. Well, getting the country is kind of hard because it's just a residential district. I mean, I guess I'll just click there because it's Europe hedge. But like, yeah. 1 minute 30 definitely helps though, for sure. Denmark, okay. It would be more like this. Okay, is the constant what? Amount of interest owed on a loan varies directly with the length of time. If K is the constant of proportionality. Like that. Okay. Which is 180 simplest and radical form? No, man. That's not what I need right now. I mean, we can factor out a 36 and it becomes 5, so I would assume it to be that. Okay. Good. Okay, so easy. We don't even have to think on this one, so we can just plunk it down. That's a lifesaver round right there, so I'm probably gonna do like crazy damage on this. That's just like very simple. Yeah. Well, maybe my guess didn't really make sense in terms of Kyrgyzstan, but it still works. Considering that I'm doing math while doing this, it's still pretty insane. I know exactly where that one is. Oh, we already had this problem. So, that's good. Oh no. 5x minus 4y minus 4x. 5x minus 4x is x. Minus 4y. And then minus 4y plus 2y is going to be minus 2y. How much time? 54 seconds. Okay. Good. Keep going. Indicates that x and y vary directly. We're just going to have to. I think it's going to be h because it's the only one that's not loading. And they love to make it so that the only one that doesn't load is the correct one. Where's the that's my final answer button? Go. Still have 27 seconds left. Oh no, I have to do it again. Man. 2x squared cubed, 8x to the 6. We still got enough time though, so. That was a close one. Oh no. Man, what did I just do with my life? Okay. That's fine. My brain's clearly too focused on algebra to be playing Geoguessr right now. That's fine. As long as we win in the end. I haven't covered this yet. But I think it should be y equals x plus 2. No, that's wrong. It's y equals x. Man. I just haven't covered that part of the course material yet. Okay. Oh, great. 6x squared plus 9x plus 3. Haven't done algebra tiles in a very long time. I basically skipped that part of the course material because I didn't find it useful. X plus 2 times x plus 3. Oh no. X plus 2 times x plus 3. It should be this one. Problem is you have to click that's my final answer multiple times before it actually registers. So let's quickly head out of this residential district. No time, of course, as always. So just like click Europe. Okay, not that bad. So we're still winning. Like I am still winning, but like it's just that the math definitely is ruining my focus. So just so you know, don't take your SOL practice test while playing Geoguessr. X plus 1 times x plus 4. X squared plus 5x plus 4. What is the value of 6x minus 3y over xy when x equals 6 and y equals minus 4? No. 36 plus 12, 48, divide by negative 24, you get negative 2. Oh, no. Okay. 7 items was purchased, so j plus t equals 7 is one of them. And then jeans were 28 each, so 28j plus 12t equals 116. I hate systems of equations. Okay. So Nick's not gonna get this one because he doesn't know car meta. So we're good. I just need to make sure. Okay, we're on the next one. Whoops, that was a little bit too close. All right, so that's it. So now that that's like that, Nick, please join back for one more. All right, everyone, so we had a technical issue, but yeah, so I'm just gonna start over there, and we're still tied 1-1. So here are the settings: 5,000 health versus 10,000. Let me actually bring that down so I have 1 health. Yeah, no, just kidding. 5,000 will be just fine. And yeah, same exact settings as last time, playing on a community world. Let's do this. Nick, are you not ready?
I am ready.
Are you not ready? Yes or no?
I am not ready.
Are you not ready? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Here we go. Number 1, distributive property. I think it's gonna be this one. Well, I don't think. I know. Good. So as long as this loads fast enough, I should be fine. Which it's currently not doing. 3x plus y equals 11. Y equals x plus 3. Okay, this is helpful. So x plus 3, so 4x plus 3 equals 11. Subtract 3, we get that x equals 2. So 2 plus 3, 5. All right. Just by step 1, that's going to be distributive property. All right, so we got a long time to look around on this one. All right, so I'm just going to go this far. I'm not sure what that looks like because of course it was all... I'm actually going to return to start because that's the only photo frame that's already loaded. All right, sun, you are in the north, I would say. Those are thick arrows. I guess. Nah, I guessed on that. I guessed on that. 5 damage, not that bad. When x increases by 2, y increases by 1, which means that the x-intercept is going to be 2. So it's plus 2 right there. What is the 0 of the following function? 0 equals x squared minus x minus 12. So it's going to be 4 minus 12 equals 0, which is 0 of the function defined by the following equation. It's going to be 0 equals 4. Alright, then we still got 1 minute to look around, and Nick hasn't guessed yet. And I know exactly where this is. It's just my favorite guess. It's just like to guess like between the two major cities of the country. You actually just make sure that that was correct. So, so that I don't make fun of myself in the editor for actually getting it wrong. You know, that does look like a. Could those be embassies actually? I'll click capital. It was not capital. It's Cape Coast area. Well, it's not actually Cape Coast area. It's Chakarati. So Nick is already at the same health as me. Using the equation of the line of best fit, which number is the prediction of the output when the input is 13? I mean, if 11 is 100, it has to be 159, right? Right? Hear me out here. No. Okay, as I said, I haven't done that, right? I haven't done that lesson yet. I'm literally going to do that on Wednesday. 1.5 times 10 to the negative 3? Negative 1? So 3 minus 9? So negative 6? I'm not sure. I think it's going to be this one, though. Quick. We got... Were we driving on a bike lane? That's crazy. That means it has to be Netherlands, right? There's no other place on Earth where you would just be driving in a bike lane. Alright. Okay. It's actually just Essen. But I'm still closer. So still good damage. Not doing that bad, not doing that bad, just saying. Alright, this one I got a head start on, so it's gonna be negative 2a squared. It's 1. 2 times 3 minus 5. 2 times negative 2 is going to be negative 4. Nice. Which is equivalent to the beta of 6 over beta of 2. It's going to be beta of 4. So that was a really quick 3. Wow. That was the fastest 3 I've ever done. Wow. 20 seconds. I think I'm going to pass the SOL. Yeah. Just trying to get out. This sign might tell me something. Just nothing really. It's just like... I'm not even sure what that language is. If you hear footsteps upstairs, I'm very sorry for that. Honestly, I'm kind of just gonna guess there. Nice. I think that's knockout damage. Yes, it is. Easy win. There you go. So, yeah. What was your opinions on that?
The one that, no, that was in the, where you guessed in the Netherlands, that was close to the end. I thought I saw German.
What do you mean by saw German?
Like, I saw this one character that I know that I see in German language.
But Germany is a good click when you see those characters. It's just that I saw a bike lane, and those are pretty much guaranteed to put you in the Netherlands. Not really. I just wanted to mention how crazy it was that I literally plonked on the right road in Norway and then I switched off. I saw the double yellow line, so I ended up thinking that it would actually be US, but then I remembered last second that those are actually also found in Norway. So, yeah, I switched and I didn't have enough time to switch back. So, luckily I still won, and now I know that I will pass the SOL. And now I also know that that you should never do algebra while playing Geoguessr. Bye-bye.